Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Twitter. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You find the uninstall, can click on it and you can install again your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.